So that's the goal of the campaigns and the interventions, or we call it social behavior change interventions na ginagawa namin, especially when it comes to priority area 4, which is substance abuse, ang tobacco and vaping, no? Na talagang gusto natin, mapaalam natin, no? Mapaalam natin sa mga kabataan. Alam nyo ba, na 93% ng kabataan, alam naman nila na harmful ang smoking, no? Actually, 99%. At 96% naman, alam nila na harmful din ang vaping. But they don't know exactly what diseases are related to it. No? So, alam ng mga kabataan na majority ay harmful, pero hindi nila alam yung mga diseases. So what we usually do is gusto naming mapaabot sa mga kabataan, ano yung mga health harms, no, na pwedeng makuha nila if they do smoking, if they do vaping. And we want them to believe in it, no? So apart from the messaging on health harms, we also provide messaging on economic issues, no? Paano ba pag ginagawa natin na instead na mag-vape tayo ng 2 pods a day or 2 pods a week, magkano ang nasa-save natin? Instead na magsigarilyo tayo, magkano kaya yung masasave natin? Makakabili na ba tayo ng laptop pag nag-stop tayo ng sigarilyo in 1 year? So these are the messages that we want the people or we want the youth to believe also. So therefore, merong behavior change na mangyayari. So that's the quick work that we do in the department.